You're looking for the best side hustle of 2026. I want to show you a permanent jewelry appointment. And so we've trained thousands of people to become permanent jewelry artists. And I'm going to show you how quickly they can do an appointment, a service. And for these services, they charge anywhere from $80 to $120 or more. And so let's take a look from start to finish on how to do permanent jewelry. And it's only going to take a couple minutes.
Awesome. Thank you so much for coming to my pop-up. I'm so
Thank
excited to have you
you.
here. Okay, are you looking for a ring, bracelet, anklet, or necklace today?
Definitely a bracelet.
Bracelet? Okay,
Mhm.
perfect. Are you thinking gold, silver?
Gold.
Gold? Okay, awesome. Are you wanting something that's a little bit more dramatic and bold, or are you wanting it to be a little bit more on like the natural dainty side?
Yeah, definitely dainty.
Dainty? Okay,
Mhm.
perfect. So for the golds, I would recommend the one on the very right. You can see if that was one that you like for you, but it's going to be a little bit on the finer side, but still has great durability. It also has a little bit of a facet, so it really sparkles.
Yeah, I like that one.
You like that one?
Mhm.
Okay, perfect. So let us start to make sure that that's what you're liking. Which hand are you wanting to
Let's
do?
do it this
That
hand.
one? Okay, perfect. So is that kind of what you're wanting to build your stack with?
Yeah. I think it all goes together.
Perfect. Now with this, are you wanting just thinking one, or do you want to maybe see about building your stack so that way it can have a friend and it's not lonely?
I definitely on this side I have some silver going on.
Okay.
So I probably wouldn't mind adding some silver on this side too.
Mixed metals is super
Yeah.
popular. Are you wanting to go thicker with your silver, or do you want to keep it kind of in like the same line, but maybe a little bit different?
Yeah. Maybe like a little bit
Still
thick.
dainty.
Yeah. Still dainty though.
Okay. So out of these guys, I would recommend for that, once again, the one that's on the right, that's like our paper clip. So it's gonna be one of our most classic. It's a little bit of a different shape than the one that you had on the gold. So it's going to catch the light a little bit differently, but still give you that like dainty.
Yeah, I like that one.
Wanna try that one?
That one's cute.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. So let's see these together and see if this is kind of something.
Yeah.
Do you like those mixed?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Amazing. Perfect. And which one do you want to start with? Just because we're going to size them a little bit different.
We can start with the silver first.
Silver. Perfect. And then while I am getting this measured, I want to let you know we do have a few different options of charms and connectors. Of course,
Okay.
you can just do them plain, but if you're wanting to customize a little bit further, we have these options. They're still going to be the same 14 karat gold filled or sterling silver, but it's just a way to be able to personalize. We do have a special going on for these guys. If you buy two, you get your third one free. So nothing that you have to do, but it's just something that you're able to add to your piece to make it be a little bit more customized.
Okay. Maybe we could do, I like that little
Little diamond. I think that
Yeah.
one's super cute.
Should I do that one on that one or this one?
Let's see. Because we can totally, since you're doing mixed metals, we can always add the diamond to your gold one as well. So that way you're bringing in the silver from your other piece.
Maybe let's just do it on this one.
Do it on that one?
Yeah.
Perfect. We'll keep it the same. Perfect. So I'm going to connect your charm first, and then we will get it all connected onto you. Do you have any fun plans for the rest of your night?
I am actually going to get dinner with my friends.
Yay!
Yep. So I'll be showing off my new jewelry.
Amazing. Well, if you ever have any friends that are wanting to come in for more pieces or do it all together, we do private parties, which is super fun to bring us all together.
That's awesome.
And if you want to watch me weld, you can. Just make sure
Okay.
to throw on those glasses to make it safe for everybody.
Definitely want to watch.
Yes. It's a cool process. It's a little anticlimactic. It's like one spark of a sparkler, but and then double check that fold. Perfect. All looks great. And then if you want to reach your hand right forward for me at that guy, we are going to measure that right around. And are you wanting it to be a little bit looser or a little bit on the tighter side?
Does it stretch? Because I feel like maybe a little tighter.
With normal wear, it does stretch, but we want to make sure to at least have a finger. So I would recommend kind of right about there.
Yeah,
Does that feel like good
yeah,
placement for
I
you?
like that.
Perfect. So let me just get that cut. So how many friends are you going to dinner with?
It's 5 of us.
Yeah. Have you been to the restaurant before? Is that someplace new?
Yes, we always go there for happy
Yay.
hour.
Oh, yay. That'll be so fun. Perfect. And then when I get this on, I'm going to have you throw those glasses back on if you want to watch again for me. All right. I'll have you reach your hand right across. Perfect. And then next, it's going to go right in between your skin, so that way everything is nice and safe. Okay, perfect. Check sizing on that for me. Make sure everything feels good with that.
Yes, I like that. Oh,
Amazing.
it's so cute.
The little sparkle is so great,
Yeah,
huh?
I like it.
Amazing. Okay, so we're going to be adding this one to your stack.
Okay.
Do you want to add anything to this chain, or would you like to keep it kind of just plain and classic?
I feel like we could add.
You want to add?
Yeah.
Do you want to mix metal add, or do you want to, so do you want to add the same gold, or do you want to add maybe
Let's just do the same.
that one?
Yeah.
Perfect. I have the star, but it's in silver.
Yeah, let's just keep it
Keep it
gold.
gold. Perfect. That lightning bolt is super cute.
So quick.
Yes. Lots of practice. Also, just so you know, we have a warranty. So we do discounts on replacement pieces. Make sure to put those glasses on. We also offer free rewelds. So if you ever have anything happen, we will, or have to take it off for like an MRI or anything, we will get those right back on for you.
Awesome.
Okay. And then placement on this guy. I'll have you go ahead and reach over again. Are you wanting to do a little similar? So like right about there?
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, probably around the same size.
Perfection. This one might just be one little bit tighter. It's going to just that way stack perfectly for you.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay, and then go ahead and reach across for me. Perfect. And then you know the drill. Glasses on, double check those settings. And then since we're welding on you, add that leather patch. And then double check that guy. See how that feels.
So cute.
Feel like a good stack sizing and everything feels good?
Yeah, I like how this one's a little tighter too.
Perfect. And then when you're out with your friends, just so you know, I have a referral program.
Oh,
So for every person you refer, you get $10 off your next piece. So
fabulous.
something to think about. Perfect.
Definitely gonna be showing it off tonight.
I love it. My last question for you is, so how sparkly this is. Sometimes with like all of our lotions and everything, it can get a little bit dull. So what I would recommend, and if you want it, would be the Sparkle and Shine Stick.
Okay.
This one is going to be, and I can show you if you're okay with it.
Yeah.
Brush comes at the end, twist the edge, and then you just brush it on and rotate. But this is going to keep your jewelry being absolutely perfect. These guys retail for $12, but it's like the perfect add-on to make sure everything stays really, really well. So I would at least get this, but my other option would be like more of the big foam. This is going to be good for all of your jewelry. So this would be like more of your deep clean. Don't have to use this one all the time, but it's going to be something that's a little bit like more intensive. So something to think about, but just to protect your investment, one of these two options are definitely something that I would recommend.
I kind of like this one.
That one's
still travel.
Well, it's also a good place to start. And if you feel like you need that deep clean, you can always reach out to me for this one.
Okay,
So,
perfect. Yeah, let's do
Awesome.
this one.
We will get you all checked out. I'll get you my card, and then make sure when you're posting your pictures and everything to tag us.
Of course.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
All right, you just saw how Peyton literally did a 10-minute appointment and was able to make over $200. And so this is how she's averaging, you know, $50,000 to $60,000 per month. Now, if you're interested in starting your own permanent jewelry business, we have a full class that not only teaches you how to start, but what mistakes to avoid, and it's totally free to learn. Of course, if you want more in-depth training, more in-depth hands-on training here at our Orlando headquarters, we're happy to help you with that as well. But I invite you to come to our free training. It's going to be a webinar. It's a Zoom call. And a lot of times Peyton's actually on there with me. And so we're going to cover the do's and don'ts from A to Z, how to get started with permanent jewelry. And a lot of times we'll do giveaways on there too. So if you want more information on that, click the link in the bio or link in the description, or go to linkedpermanentjewelrytraining.com. We'll see you there.